हेलो एंड गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस, रेडियो जिंदगी पर आप पहुंचे हैं। आप 15:50 AM फ्राइडे की है शाम और जानते हैं यहां मिलेंगे आपके सवालों के जवाब। यस, यू गेस्ड इट राइट, क्योंकि उषा जी पहुंच चुकी हैं स्टूडियो में। उषा जी, जिन्हें पूरा बे एरिया डेफिनेटली जानता है, जो लोग नहीं जानते उनके लिए बता दूं दैट शी इज अ स्पिरिचुअल एडवाइजर, शी इज अ साइकिक, अ हीलर एंड शी ऑल्सो possesses clairvoyant powers। आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं उनके साथ, चाहे आपका करियर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं, यू वांट टू नो अबाउट योर जॉब एडवांसमेंट, योर पर्सनल और स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ, जो भी सवाल है सीधा कॉल करके कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। नंबर इज 9258272033। अगेन द नंबर इज 9258272033, where you can call and connect with उषा जी डायरेक्टली। दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ शो शुरू कर रहे हैं हम। उषा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं। वेबसाइट उनकी, वेयर यू विल गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट हर, इज ushaji.org and ushaji.com, which is spelled as USHAJI.org and USHAJI.com. शो के दौरान कॉल करना चाहते हैं फॉर वन क्विक क्वेश्चन, डू कॉल अस ऑन द स्टूडियो लाइन नंबर है 510-770-1550. With that, let's begin the show. Hello and welcome, Usha ji. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday to all of you, my dear listeners. It's my pleasure to be here, enjoying you today, Vedita, and wish everybody a happy weekend and hope they had a wonderful week. And even if the week was not wonderful, you survived it, okay? It's Friday and you survived your week, no matter what happened. And sometimes that's all we need to do, is to be able to get through things. And then that enables us to look back and think, what could we have done differently? Where could we have taken a better choice, made a better choice, or taken a different path, or made a different decision? And this could be regarding anything in your life, regardless if it was how you connect with your children, at what age they are, how are you connecting with them? Because with every age, you know, bache to bache hi lagte hain, right? I was talking to a woman this morning, her son was 37, and she said, "No, I have to talk about my kids." And I said, "Okay, and what's the name of your child?" Naam bataya, age batayi, maine kaha, "He's a young man." She goes, he is a young man, right? You're right. And I said, "Yeah." So it is about viewing them as adults. And she was like, "Sunta nahi hai, you know." Maine kaha, "But how are you treating him? Are you still..." So there was something I saw and I told her, I said, "He's living with you." She goes, "Yeah." She goes, "हाँ, काम कर रहा है, घर से काम कर रहा है." And so I said, "Why do you go into his room without knocking?" And she goes, "What do you mean? मेरा ही घर है, हमारा ही घर है, हमने तो कभी दरवाजे पे नहीं खटखटाया." मैंने कहा, "लेकिन जवान मर्द है, कमरा का दरवाजा बंद है, शायद मीटिंग पे हो, सो रहा भी हो, कुछ भी कर रहा हो. You cannot just walk in." And that was such a revelation for her. She was like, "I never thought about it like that, you know." And I was like, "No, because बच्चा तो है, naturally. माँ के लिए तो हमेशा बच्चा ही रहेगा, right? लेकिन उनकी उम्र में फर्क आता है, so how do you treat them differently? So that is the big thing. I'm going to mute you for a second, ask my dogs not to be barking. I hope they listen.
जी, listeners, meanwhile, let me remind you again, if you have any quick question, Usha ji is right here. आप कॉल कीजिए अभी, स्टूडियो लाइन्स आर ओपन 510-770-1550. ये स्टूडियो लाइन का नंबर है। अगर आप कॉल करना चाहते हैं अपने बारे में या आपका सवाल है अपने किसी फैमिली मेंबर, फ्रेंड के बारे में, तब भी आप कॉल कर सकते हैं। अगेन द नंबर टू द स्टूडियो लाइन इज 510-770-1550. और अगर शो के बाद उषा जी से बात करना चाहते हैं इत्मीनान से, इफ यू वांट टू फिक्स एन अपॉइंटमेंट एंड मीट हर और टॉक टू हर, 9258272033 is the number for that. Or you can email her as well, usha@ushaji.org. Usha ji, we have callers waiting. Let's start taking calls. Yeah. Hello, you're on air with Usha ji.
Hello.
जी, welcome to the show बेटा। क्या नाम है आपका?
नमस्ते उषा जी, माय नेम इज शेखर बट्टू।
शेखर बेटा,
लास्ट वीक मैंने बात की थी आपसे। हाँ,
अच्छा, बात की थी।
माय एज 64 years।
64 years, हाँ जी।
याद आ गया. You were looking for a job.
Correct. Thank you very much. Yes. The line clear नहीं थी, so I could not hear you clearly. So if you don't mind me, please can I ask a question again?
But you called. I told you. And even she repeated it. Okay, so what was your question at that time? You were out of a job for how long, Shekhar?
For almost 6 months, so 46 months.
Okay, 6 months, and you're looking for a job, and you and I spoke, and you said you were what, managing director or VP or something?
Yes, correct. Thank you. I'm a VP, and then I want to understand what is coming up for my future.
You were a VP. Abhi job nahi hai, so you were a VP, right? And my answer was, and even now the same thing comes up, don't get stuck on the title. Look where you can get employed with a company where even as a consultant or not a full-time job, but you could be in a different title. So look for the position versus the title because you want to be connected to a working company again. So good luck, beta. Thank you for listening and calling in.
Thank you.
If you have further questions, you can always reach out to Usha ji directly by calling 925-827-2033. Usha ji, let's take another call.
Anji.
Hello, you're on air with Usha ji.
Hi, Usha ji.
Hi, beta. क्या
मेरा नाम गिरीश है.
गिरीश, आपकी उम्र क्या है?
45.
45. कहिए बेटा, क्या सवाल है?
I'm looking for is there any job change or do I have any better prospect this year for a job switch?
Will you have a better prospect for a position? So how long have you been at your current job, beta?
6 साल से हूँ.
6 साल से हो और अभी कब से ढूंढना शुरू किया?
I'm just started, but I don't know is it right time or should close.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. मैं कुछ और सुन रही थी. मुझे दिखाई दिया कि आपने शुरू नहीं किया अब तक. Is that true?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so when are you planning to start looking?
This year, but I'm not quite sure is it right time or वो fruitful होगा नहीं होगा. I don't know.
कोशिश ही नहीं करोगे तो फिर कहाँ से होगा? अब पता नहीं आलू पड़े हुए, आलू को पकाऊं तो जल न जाए, फिर शायद मजा नहीं आएगा, शायद टेस्टी नहीं बनेंगे. तो डालो धाड़ में आलू को पकाना ही नहीं है. Right? You got it? You got the message?
Yeah.
Right. Put your efforts out there before just wasting your time on thinking too much about it, beta. All right? Good luck. When you start, give me a call. When you updated your resume, you posted your resume, you're applying for positions, then call me. Good luck, beta. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.
Let's take another call.
Anji.
Hello, you're on air with Usha ji. Thanks for holding.
Thank you. Hello, Usha ji. I have a question.
Sure, beta. Welcome to the show. And who am I talking with? What's your name, baby?
My name is Varsha.
Varsha, how old are you?
58.
All right, Varsha. Tell me, beta, how can I help you?
Question regarding my daughter. How does her career and job prospect look like?
What's her name and how old is she?
She's 29, Priyanka.
Okay. And what is she doing right now? What kind of work?
Well, she's doing consulting work. She graduated from postgraduate last summer. And
because you look very familiar and your daughter looks very familiar. So you have called her before?
Yes, I did.
Ah, okay. All right, beta.
So far, no luck yet into finding a meaningful job.
When you say meaningful, what do you mean? I mean, every job is meaningful. There's a job to be done and the paycheck to be made, right?
Okay, right.
So when you say meaningful, what do you mean, beta?
Meaning she had temporary consulting work and now looking.
But that's a full-time job, and even if it's temporary, like you're not, what's the word? You're a contractor, right?
Yeah.
She's not working 2-3 hours a day. So that job is meaningful. It's adding to her resume, it's adding to her experience. Everything about her position and her career has got meaning. If you're looking for just a full-time job, that's different. Full-time meaning like she's not contracted out to a company, correct?
Yes, full-time.
So how long has she been on this contract?
Oh, the contract already ended. It was part-time for 3 months.
3 months. Okay, beta. Let's see. And when was the last day at work?
End of December, I think.
Okay, so it's just been a couple of weeks. So let's see. Priyanka, 29, looking for a new position. I do see that the next one will be a contract before she land a full-time. So let her gain the experience. That's the plus point, beta. Let her just gain the experience with different companies and let her build her resume up. Good luck. Thank you for listening and calling in the next 4.5 weeks, by the way. So, good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Listeners, let me remind you, सुन रहे हैं आप दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ. Usha ji, who is a spiritual advisor, a psychic, a healer. She's right here in the studio with us, and she also possesses clairvoyant powers. And with her abilities, she's answering any question you have in your mind about yourself, about your loved ones. Do call us. Studio line ka number hai 510-770-1550, but that is just restricted to one quick question. अगर आप डिटेल में बात करना चाहते हैं, the best way is to reach Usha ji directly by calling 925-827-2033. ये उषा जी का डायरेक्ट नंबर है. After the show, you can call her directly. ushaji.org and ushaji.com are the websites where you can get all the information about her, about the sessions, everything. So do log on to the website if you have any questions or just call her directly. Usha ji, we have another caller waiting.
Hanji.
Hello, you're on air with Usha ji.
जी नमस्कार. मेरा नाम अंकिता है. और मुझे अपने बेटे के समझ में आया.
उनका नाम अंकिता है एंड
नहीं, मेरा नाम अंकिता है और मेरे बेटे का नाम आदित्य है.
आदित्य. और आपकी उम्र क्या है?
मेरी उम्र 54 कंप्लीट हो गया.
54. और बेटे का नाम?
आदित्य. बेटे का नाम आदित्य है.
आदित्य. और आदित्य की उम्र?
उसकी 27.
27. ओके बेटा. और आदित्य के पापा का नाम?
उनके पापा का नाम सुरेंद्र.
सुरेंद्र. ओके. कहिए बेटा, क्या सवाल है?
सवाल ये है कि आदित्य का जवाब चेंज करने के लिए कुछ सोच रहे. बाकी नहीं करिए बार बट हो नहीं पा रहा.
आपकी आवाज तो मुझे साफ नहीं आ रही. कीप्स कमिंग वेरी ब्रोकन. कैन यू हियर हर बेटिका?
जी, आई कैन हियर यू क्लियरली. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आदित्य तो जॉब का वो ट्राई कर रहा है, जॉब स्विच करने का, और उसका जॉब का हो नहीं पा रहा है प्रॉपर. इंटरव्यू. हेलो,
yeah, he's trying to switch his job, Usha ji, and
हेलो
जी, I can hear you.
इसका काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे?
हेलो.
Is he working right now?
He is working right now, but वो चेंज करने के लिए सोच रहा है, बट उसका प्रॉपर हो नहीं पा रहा.
आप सुनिए बेटा, अभी इसको इस जॉब पे कितना टाइम हो गया?
उसको 3 साल से ऊपर हो गए, 3.5 साल.
टाइटल क्या है बेटे का?
He is working as a
product manager.
I don't think so. I don't see the manager title. Okay. Anyway, so he's working with a product as a product analyst, a product what?
You can say analyst.
Okay. And कब से ढूंढ रहा है? इसकी लास्ट इंटरव्यू कब हुआ था नई जॉब के लिए?
इसका लास्ट इंटरव्यू हुआ था मुझे लगता है सितंबर-अक्टूबर में, और उसको ऑलमोस्ट हो गया था और फिर मना कर दिया था उन्होंने.
It's okay. It wasn't the right match. It's okay. So अभी इसने ढूंढना शुरू किया इस साल कि नहीं?
जी, वो तो अप्लाई कंटिन्यूस कर रहा है.
Okay, good. So let's look at Aditya and see what's going on. When will he be able to get a new position? What position is he trying for? Because I feel that the title is not something that's within his grasp right now. तो आपको किस टाइटल के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है?
Looking for product manager or some
he's not ready for manager material right now.
Okay.
So, yeah, it'll be like a lateral job with more responsibility is what I'm seeing for him. And I saw कि ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर का मांग रहा है, उसको ऊपर का नहीं मिलेगा इस वक्त. So let him make a lateral move with a different company with more responsibility where he can grow more, beta. ठीक है ना? So, yeah, tell him that will work out. Good luck, beta. Good luck. Thank you for listening and calling in. And बाकी सवालों, I know कि बहुत सारे questions सबके दिमाग में आ जाते हैं जब एक सवाल पूछते हैं, तो call me directly 925-827-2033. शो पे तो बस इतना ही टाइम मिलता है बेटा. Thank you for listening and calling in.
जी उषा जी. So till we have more callers, would definitely like to hear something from you.
I know. Half my face is in the sun, half my face is in the shadow.
No, I was looking at you looking bright. No, from my perspective, you're looking all bright and sunny today.
I forget that the sun sets so soon in winter. Okay, I was just sitting by the window enjoying the sunshine, and I thought, okay, going to karte. Because inside my office, then it gets really cold really quickly, you know.
Gee.
So I know that many of you have so many questions about your children. You're so vested in your kids. We're all vested in our children. But I find that many of you feel that my son should be manager right now. My daughter should be having this full time. You know, जैसे जो सवाल आज mothers ने call करके पूछा है, right? Even the gentleman who called last week, he got his answer. He called again this week and repeated everything. And he feels he should be a VP again, right? So we have to understand life is not always as it should be. It should be that my dogs should have heard me call them in and वो भागे भागे अंदर आते, right? But it isn't. So we're making do, and if you hear them barking outside, I'm sorry. That's what dogs do. That's the voice they have, right? My cats will be meowing, dogs will be barking. And we are talking, and I'm trying to still maintain कि चलो ठीक है अगर शोर भी आ रहा है माफ करना क्या करूं, right? It should be extremely peaceful and quiet. But when I went to my office, there was some truck outside making a lot of noise, so I भागी भागी फिर घर आ गई, you know कि चलो घर से करती हूँ show, and I didn't get time to like bring them all and put them in the other room, so बाहर ही बैठे हुए, right? So life is not always about how it should be. When we put the word should there, हमारा ego काम करता है. That's about the ego. That the ego says it should be like this, it should be like that. But how it is how the spirit works. The soul works, the spirit works with what things are. And the acceptance of what things are. There will be an age for everything. There will be a time for everything. But the acceptance, what is, you know, Om Tat Sat, right? What is our reality. And to grow with that, to accept that, and to move forward and think, this is the best experience I'm having. This is the best day that is going on. This is the best moment of my life. When people will think like that, फिर झगड़ा फसाद कम होगा, because not necessarily when you are mad about something or you're having a disagreement, but sometimes even that disagreement is the best thing that you're having because you're learning from it. You're learning what you will put up with or what is your capacity for handling disagreements. How will you try to make peace through that disagreement? Everything that we experience makes us grow and challenges our understanding of who we are. And that is where spiritual growth comes in. So if you think how things are, how they should be, the should be part is your ego talking. The accepting of what things are is where true growth happens. So grow towards your ambitions, grow towards your goals, which is totally different versus keeping yourself very unhappy in what you are today because you think you should be somewhere else. So please do pay attention to that. I think it's very important to understand how our spiritual growth takes place in every second, in every moment, in the choices we make, in the way we accept our reality. That is where spiritual growth happens. Remember that, my dear listeners. So I know, Vedika, there is a call waiting. I can see by your expression.
So, but I had to apologize gently because we just have 30 more seconds and we can't take any more calls. In fact, there are people who are trying to reach us now. I see red lights blinking, but yes, we are out of show time. You can reach out to Usha ji directly with all your questions, 925-827-2033, or you can look for her details, her information through the website, which is ushaji.org and ushaji.com. Again, it is spelled as ushaji.org, ushaji.com. So, Usha ji, with that, we are out of our show time. Thank you so much for joining us. And again, reminding you of us of important things like acceptance, which is, I think, the basis of happiness. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me and have a wonderful week. And to all of you, I wish you a wonderful week. See you next Friday. Thank you.